Our ES short played perfectly for 578 ticks to our algo target, which is $7,225 in one futures contract. Let's dive into the charts to hunt for our next trade and see where Bitcoin and the ES are headed this week. So quick ES recap for my last weekly outlook. I talked about being an expanding diag for A, and we should roll over after that for that 40-30 level where our algo target is, or lower, because the macro diag we've been following would have a better wave relationship down at that sub 4K level. The reason why I'm taking that short is because if this is an expanding leading diag, we expect a sharp and deep retrace like we're seeing to where we're either potentially going towards those new lows at 40-30, which is the algo target, or even lower. This would be a very small 4 for the relationship of this 2 to 4. So I would expect it to probably get deeper into this sub $4,000 level before moving higher. And that's exactly how it played out. We got that move up into our Monty zone and then went straight to target, as well as the 618 wave relationship we were looking for on that diag. So if our low is in here, we'll likely get a push up into that 4220-ish level to complete our diag and could give us a juicy short swing that goes below the 3370 level. Keep in mind that we could see another tiny push lower, but I'd like it to hold the next support level at 3920-ish. If we break that 3817 level, that invalidates this whole count though. Now let's take a look at Bitcoin. Before we do, if you like the content so far, make sure to subscribe and hit the like button, because we do weekly outlook for Bitcoin and the SP 500 every Monday to help you navigate the week ahead, as well as midweek videos on different traditional and crypto assets. So I'm going to keep this short and sweet. I can't help but see a 3-wave move down from here. A, triangle B, and then C. As long as we can hold this support level, I think Bitcoin runs above 26K, probably higher. Because if we're in this expanded flat everyone's talking about, then our high probability area for C is this 1618 area, which is 27.7K, and we have our algo target at 28K. Now with that said, I am tracking one sneaky diag, kind of like our ES sneaky diag from last week's weekly outlook, that'll get us much deeper. So this is the count I gave in yesterday's member only video. I expected to move down into this 618 to close our CME gap before getting up to that 24.4K level. As you can see, this overall count is an expanding leading diag for A of this macro fourth. So we get a move up into our resistance before selling off below the 22.4K level. And that's just the algo target. In reality, we're likely to see a 1-to-1, probably even move into this 382 and our support level down here at the 21K level. So we'll have to see how this develops and go from there. It's really going to depend on the ES. If the ES holds this support level and heads for those highs, I expect Bitcoin to do the same. If it's headed for that lower support, then Bitcoin is likely to move down into that 382 and support level that I talked about. But if you want more context on both macro accounts, click the video on your screen to watch the last weekly outlook. I'll also put the link in the description.